Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Anthony and this is The Grind Motive. If you're new here, today I got a great, exciting video for you guys. Hopefully this can help a lot of you out going into the third quarter, ending the month off strong in August. Business lines of credit. Now, some of these banks you may have heard of, some of them you may have not heard of, but that's the great thing about them. You're going to get to know these banks and develop a relationship and get some funding. Now, when I say business line of credit, I mean credit that you can spend and it's still there with the bank. So you can use it, pay it back, use it again, pay it back, get an increase, pay it back, get another increase, pay it back, get another increase, yeah, and we going up like that. So with the first one that we got here is American Express. Now, I talk about American Express a lot. It's because they have some of the best products, and I mean really making it easy for small businesses. I really like this one right here, and I want you guys to check it out. So they have a business line of credit from $2,000 to $250,000. Now, their requirements are for you to be eligible is to be at least 18 years of age, have your business started at least for 1 year, have a FICO score of at least 660, and also have an average monthly revenue of at least $3,000. So pretty, simple and easy, very entry. A lot of us have a 660 and 660 is attainable. I don't feel like they're asking for too much with that right there. I think that's pretty entry for a lot of people, and it's going to really help a lot of people get funding. So you will also need your business tax EIN number, which that's what you get after you apply for your LLC. You're going to go to irs.gov and get your EIN number. It's free. Don't pay for it. It's free. You're going to need your own social security number. So with social security number being involved, there's going to be a personal guarantee, the industry of your business, and your estimated annual gross revenue. Okay, next one, Wells Fargo. Wells Fargo's got two business lines of credit. The first business line of credit is if you are in business for at least 2 years, and the second one is if you are in business for less than 2 years. So the first business line of credit for anyone in business more than 2 years, they are offering a no annual fee for the first year. We love those. No fees for the first year. We love those. We love those. $10,000 to $150,000 revolving credit line. That means you can start off at $10,000, work your way up to $150,000. The rates are 1.75, very low. No annual fees, low rate, a higher limit. If you are in business for more than 2 years, that's the first business line of credit through Wells Fargo. The second business line of credit through Wells Fargo is a small business advantage line of credit. That is for customers in business less than 2 years. Less than 2 years, also again, no annual fees. We love those. And a good limit, I still feel, $5,000 to $50,000. You work your way from $5,000 to $50,000 to $10,000 to $150,000 with these two small business credit lines from Wells Fargo. The second one is 4.5%. 4.5% rate for this business line of credit if you are in business less than 2 years. Now, what they are looking for the first business line of credit, if you are in business more than 2 years, a FICO score of 680 and 25% ownership. For the second one, the second small business line of credit, if you are in business for less than 1 year, you have to have 20% ownership in your business. No annual fees for both, and low rates. At number 3, we have BlueVine. I've heard a lot of people talk about them and do positive reviews on them. So just to get into it, for the eligibility, you have to meet the minimum requirements of $10,000 in monthly revenue. You have to have a 625 personal FICO score. You have to be in business for 1 year, be a corporation or LLC, no bankruptcies in the past year, in good standing with your Secretary of State. Your business is operating in eligible U.S. states. Ineligible states include Nevada, South Dakota, and North Dakota. So if you live in one of those 3 states, you will be ineligible for this business line of credit. The last bank that I have is SoFi. SoFi has a lot of great products. They also have products for us business owners. So with their small business line of credit, they are requiring you to have a 600 credit score. 600 credit score, annual revenue of $50,000 or more, and at least 6 months of business history. If you have an account with SoFi, go ahead and create a small business checking account and go ahead and apply for this. That's all you need is a 600 credit score, and you need to have an annual revenue of $50,000 in business. You also have to be in business for at least 6 months. Those are just a couple of different banks that you can use to get your funding on the road. And I'm going to be dropping more videos like this. I'm going to be showing you how to apply, how to get approved, what creditors are looking for, how to make sure your business profile is all the way set up and legit. This was just a quick video for the month of August. The month of August is almost over, so we're going to be rolling out with business lines of credit for the month of September. So be sure to have your post notifications turned on. I just want to tap in with you guys, and because I know how it was starting out without any business line of credit. Now I'm able to use business line of credit to grow my business, not have to use my personal money and let that chill on the sidelines while I reinvest this. So as I said previously in the beginning of this video, we're going to use those small business lines of credit, use them in the right investments, repay them back, and scale them by getting business line credit increase. And you can keep using this. It's called revolving credit. So my name is Anthony. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel if you're new here. And if you are subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to have the links to every single offer in the description, so you can click on those links and go directly to the offer, whichever one you want and are interested in. If you guys have any questions or concerns, or you guys want to, just give me ideas and things to talk about, or banks that you want reviews on, go ahead and leave those in the comments, and I'll be sure to get to those for you guys. I appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.